And welcome to break 2560 for the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, June 26, 2020. It's 10:37 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:37 p.m. Central Time, and 7:37 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have CRLE with 5 spots, Cross Twain 3, Calm Beast 1, Just with 1, Mats with 5, OO2, Cirque 2, Ear Mule 1, MP 1, CR Mag 1, DG 2, Mike Will 4, and Robbie Light with 3 spots. So let's take every spot from the break, randomize it 7 times, and after the 7th time, that will determine our team or teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has CRLE on top, Calm Beast on the bottom. CRLE with the Ducks, Mats with the Coyotes, DG Bruins, Cross Twain with the Sabres Flames, Ear Mule with the Hurricanes, CRLE with the Blackhawks, DG Avalanche, Cirque with the Blue Jackets, Robbie Light Stars, CRLE Red Wings, Cirque with the Oilers, Mike Will Panthers, Cross Twain Kings, CRLE with the Wild, Robbie Light Canadians, Mike Will Predators Devils, CR Mag Islanders, CRLE Rangers, Mike Will Senators, Mats with the Flyers, OO with the Penguins, Blues, Just with the Sharks, Mats with the Lightning, MP Leafs, Mats with the Canucks, Robbie Light Golden Knights, Mats Capitals, and Calm Beast, last but not least, with the Winnipeg Jets. All right, good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal top and bottom. And who do we have here? Ooh, Penny Prime. We have Eric Lindros and John Tavares. Very nice. So we have 2 teams. We have the Flyers and the Islanders. Prime signatures, John Tavares, Eric Lindros. And that is number 5 of 15. Both entered the NHL as number 1 overall draft picks. All right, sweet. So somebody owns Philadelphia and the Islanders. Congrats to you. Otherwise, we'll be randomizing 7 times, and whichever team's in spot number 1 after the 7th time, that's who will win the card. But that is very nice. All right, let's see. Let's do this. All right, let's see what we have here. So let's get the Flyers. Philadelphia Flyers going to Mats. And then who has the Islanders? Craig, CR Mag. All right, cool. So real quick, we have the Flyers and the Islanders. We're going to randomize the 2 teams. The Islanders and the Flyers 7 times. And whichever team is in spot number 1 after the 7th time, card's going to you. Good luck. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6. Whichever team is in spot number 1 after the 7th time, cards going to you. The Philadelphia Flyers is going to Mats. We'll make you green. Congrats on the 5 of 15, Eric Lindros and John Tavares. Islanders, Flyers, Prime signatures from break 2560 in the 2019-20 Hit Parade Hockey Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after that, we'll have 2562 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. Thanks.